Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning I'm up bright and early. I've got so much to do. It's Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and I want to get some videos out for y'all. And it's just, everything's just gotten behind with me. I don't know why, but anyway, I've got a stick of butter in here. What I'm going to do is today is I had some chicken left over, and so I wanted some kind of soup or something, so I'm going to make some white chicken chili in my Ninja Foodi. Now, let me tell you, the last time that I made this, I used my Instant Pot. So there is really no difference between the Ninja Foodi and the Instant Pot, except with the Ninja Foodi, I can air fry in it. And I can dehydrate in it, I think. I mean, there's certain things, but pretty much it's the same thing as an Instant Pot, except for the air frying with another lid. So this white chicken chili is pretty easy to make, especially in your Instant Pot. Well, I happen to think today, for those of you that have got turkey left, white turkey chili would be wonderful. All right, so I've got the one stick of butter in here. It's melting. I've got one onion and about 4 stalks of celery that I'm going to put in here. And I've got a huge bowl because I just had it out. I've got a lot to do today. Today's the day I make the desserts. So I'm going to be bringing y'all along and showing you different desserts that I'm going to be making. And so this is one of my favorite. I had never made this until last year. Like I said, the last time I made this, I used my Instant Pot. All right, so and today we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi to fix this. But I've got the one onion and maybe 4. These were celery hearts, so the celery is not, stalks are not so big. So I would say, if you had big stalks of celery, I would say 4 stalks of celery is what I put in here, because I do like lots of celery in this soup. Alright, so I'm going to let this saute. I've got it on the saute mode now, which would be the same thing on your Instant Pot if you wanted to fix this in your Instant Pot. And I'm just going to let these onions and celery saute until they get soft, and then I'll bring you back and we're going to do the rest of it. There's quite a few other steps to go with this, but this soup is well worth it. I had seen it, people making it on YouTube for years, but I had not done this before, and I'd always wondered what it tasted like. So last year I decided to make some, and oh my gosh, it is amazing, y'all. So I'm going to let, like I said, I'm going to let these onions and peppers saute until they get soft, and I will bring y'all back for the next step. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, now what I'm going to do is not what I usually would do, but I've got to leave and go over to my youngest daughter's, and she's making the turkey this year, so we're going to have dinner at her house. I have to sit outside. Thank goodness it's supposed to be like 67 that day, but I just can't face going in. I just can't do it. I cannot go into the house with this COVID stuff or whatever. I just cannot go in there, so I will be outside the whole time. But anyway, I've got to go over there and take her the roaster and stuff today. And so what I'm going to do is, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to put in about 1.5 cups of water in here, just so these, while I add the other stuff, the onions and celery won't burn. Alright, so now the first thing that I'm going to put in here is I have 2 cans of Bush's cannellini beans. All right, they're going to go in here. I did not drain these. The cannellini beans don't get drained. I've got a can of corn that I'm putting in, and I did drain that, but the cannellini beans, I'm not. All right, so that's 2 cans of cannellini beans. Then I've got a can of corn. This is just whole kernel corn that I have. All right, that's going in there. And then I have I think this is 4 ounces. Let me see. No, this is 7-ounce can of Great Value diced green chilies, fire roasted and peeled. All right, this whole can is going in here. And these are not hot. All right, now the next thing that's going in here is my chicken. Like I said, I cut up, I didn't use chicken breast. I've got, this is leg quarters. I had 3 leg quarters. All right, so the chicken's going in here. All right, now let's stir this up. All right, now I'm going to put my spices in here, and then I'll finish this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this pressure cook for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to let the pressure down. I'm going to put it on slow cook. Let's see, slow cook for a couple hours. And so when I get back, this will be lunch for Jamie and I. So, all right, let me get all my spices. I've got them right here. All right. The first thing I'm going to put in is about a teaspoon, a heaping teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt. All right. And then I'm going to put in a full teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. All right. All right, let me see. What's the next thing that I'm going to put in here? I'm going to put in here a teaspoon of Badia, Badia, whatever. Badia. And I've got to take that little thing off. Complete seasoning. I'm going to put in a heaping teaspoon of that, and that's got your garlic in it, which garlic is not really a thing in this, I don't think, but y'all, most of y'all know that I do not like garlic, so that is just I'm not putting garlic in it even if it did call for it. All right, and so I'm putting, this is dark chili powder. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of that. And this is not hot to me. All right, so that's going in there. All right. And then I'm going to put in about, let me get this, probably about a teaspoon and a half of granulated onion powder. All right, there's 2 little, not heaping, but 2 little teaspoons of onion powder. All right. And now, ground cumin. I'm going to put 1 heaping teaspoon of that in here. All right. Oh, it smells so good already. And red chili flakes. red pepper flakes, whatever. I'm not going to put, but I don't know, just maybe a half a teaspoon of this. Not very much, because I don't want it to be too hot. So about a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And then I've got Kroger, a 32-ounce container of Kroger chicken broth. And this is the last thing that goes in here for right now. When it gets done, then I've got to put, when we get home or whatever, I have to put some cream cheese and heavy whipping cream in it. All right, now let me stir this all up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so everything is in here now. And I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to put it to sealing. And I think I'm going to just do, let's see. Yeah, I guess I'll do 10 minutes. Alright, so I've got the pressure on. Alright, it automatically defaults to 10 minutes. So all I have to do now is just press start. And make sure that it is on sealing, which it is. Alright, and so I will bring y'all back when this gets ready, and I'll show you what I'm going to do after that. Okay, y'all. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so this is, it's been 10 minutes. It's come down from pressure. Oh, gosh. I'm telling you, my house smells amazing, y'all. And so I'm going to stir this up. Okay. Because I used that dark chili powder, whatever in here, it's not white. But when I put the cream cheese and the heavy whipping cream in here, it'll take it back to white. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to go on slow cook. I don't want it on high. I want it on low. Alright, and let me put, I just want to stir this up for a minute. Alright, and let me put the lid back on it. And you don't want it to, you want it to keep it on venting. Alright, so I'm going to go, it's on 8 hours, but I'm not, let me see. I'm going to take it down to, if I can get it down. Well, I guess shoot. Alright, slow cook, high. I want it on low. Alright, I'm going to take it down to 3 hours if I can get it. It will not go down. 6 is the lowest it'll go on here. Okay, y'all. So, that's weird. Evidently, it must go pretty high, but it won't go any lower than 6 hours. Alright, so I'm going to hit okay. And now it's on slow cook until we get back. And when we get back from going over to my daughter's, I will bring y'all back. And we'll finish out this white chicken chili. And we're going to taste it. And the way it smells right now, it's going to be amazing. Alright, bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I'm home. And I'm going to put the cream cheese in here now. It's 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And I'm putting it in here. I've got the Ninja Foodi on. It is on saute now. Because I've got to get this melted. And then I'm going to put the heavy whipping cream. And then Jamie and I are going to sit down and eat. It is numerous hours later. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. I started this at like 10 o'clock in the morning. So, alright, now I'm going to let this melt some, and then I'm going to put about a cup of heavy whipping cream in here, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, alright, so I put the cream cheese and I put a cup of milk in here, and I'm going to add another can of corn. This is just whole kernel sweet corn that's been drained, and it's going in here. I probably should put some more beans in here too, but I don't even know if I've got any more. Oh, I guess that's good enough. Alright, so I'm gonna keep on stirring this until this cream cheese melts, and then I'm gonna fix our bowls and I will bring you back. I've got soup crackers to go in it, and if Jamie wants cheese in hers, she can put cheese in it. I'm just going to put soup crackers in mine, and then I've got some cornbread to go with it too. So, alright, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, now here's my soup. Jamie's done eating hers, and she had to leave. She's leaving early today, and she's going to come in early in the morning and help me. We didn't get home until we stayed out a little longer than we were supposed to today, so I didn't get any of my desserts made. So she's going to come in early in the morning and help me. But anyway, here is the soup. She said it was delicious. She had never had this before, so and I've got cornbread to go with this too. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just really think that this would be great with turkey if you're with your leftover turkey in this, and make it instead of white chicken chili, make it white turkey chili. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so good. And it is perfect. It is seasoned perfectly. It's good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also there'll be links below of different things that you can purchase on Amazon that I use in my kitchen, or that retailers have sent me things to do reviews on them and stuff like that. So I hope you will try this. And if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, just remember you can do this in your Instant Pot. And most everybody's got an Instant Pot these days. So you have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.